Today, I'm gonna talk about me. No, I'm kidding. Come on. Ooh, that looks nice. Hi everyone, it's Maniology Live Day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And if you're joining me for the first time, welcome back. Thanks for being here. If you love these videos and you love the content we put out, you love Maniology, you love nail stamping, make sure you hit that subscribe bell, the notification bell, so you never miss a live and you can just join us instantly. Okay, so before I go on, I have a few announcements, and I think these are announcements that you guys are going to be kind of excited about. So really quick before I forget. This weekend, I have my phone here. I noticed that someone, Harmony, I hope you're on. I know you join our lives, but anyway, a few weeks ago, I had done a like a 90s inspired manicure that was using our heat wave neon regular polishes, and she recreated a design and I love it. So here is Harmony's manicure and it's just so awesome. So I know I share with you guys and I tell you guys to share. Please use the hashtag Maniology. We'd love to see the work that you guys are doing and recreating. She used a different plate. She's using M121. Please give her some hearts because she did an awesome job. And I love the way it turned out. Totally still 90, has like the 90s vibe. So if you guys recreate a design or create one of your own and you want to share with us, please do. Hashtag Maniology. We also have a community lookbook. If you guys aren't aware, we do have it on our website and we feature manicures on there. So use the hashtag Maniology. Some other things. If any of you were waiting for our sticky stamper to come back in stock and you didn't check your emails, make sure you jump online because we have this back in stock. So this is our shrinking stamper that instantly sold out as soon as we brought it and launched it. So this comes with like a monocle size stamper here, so it's clear, and then it also comes with a squishy stamper that you can actually go ahead and shrink designs on. So with this particular stamper, you would be doing a two-step shrinking technique, but I just wanted to let you guys know that's back on the site, and you also get two stampers with it as well, so you could totally use it as like your everyday stamper if you wanted to. This also comes with a scraper card for those of you who are interested. And then I have these. So these are our limited edition summer scraper cards, the full-size ones. I know sometimes people are asking us if we have full-size cards. So here you go. There's 4 beautiful gradient designs in here. I really like this one with all the tails. Then there's this one. I love the gradient. It has like a ship with a little whale. This one has a martini. This one too, it reminds me of like a watermelon, a juicy watermelon. Yeah. And this surfer on it. I love the gradient card. Plus, full-size cards, you can't go wrong if you're working on isolating. You know, you need more space for scraping. I think it also helps with leverage too. This is probably a go-to. I prefer the larger cards. That's just a personal preference. So there's those. I just wanted to let you guys know we do have them on the site. Okay, So I think that's it for like announcement corner. So we can just dive right into the video itself. I'm gonna talk about me. No, I'm kidding. You guys don't want to hear about that. But if you do, let me know. Maybe I might make a video out of it. But today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite stamping tools that I just really can't live without. And I'm hoping you guys feel the same way. And if you're not aware of these products, then this is the perfect video for you. I really did want to cheat today because I had more than 5. I had the hardest time narrowing them down, but maybe I can make it into another video as like maybe Tiana's other top 5s. I don't know if that makes sense, but let me know if you guys want to see something like that. Maybe you guys can give me some hearts. I'll consider it. Okay, so the first product is something that I always feature in the videos. I can't not feature it. It's kind of like the holy grail of cotton cleaning. So here is the pineapple cotton grabber. This is just an awesome tool to just have if you're going to be doing stamping. It's a really easy product. My what do you call the pineapple here is actually kind of loose, but I'm going to show you basically how to use it. So it has like these, this little metal grabber here, and here's your cotton pad. So we're just going to go ahead and grab it like that, and there you go. So now when you finish your beautiful manicure and it's looking all nice, and you have now like these dirty plates and paint on your scraper and all those kinds of things that need cleaning, this is what you would use to do that. So this, you just pump it with acetone, and there you go. So now you don't have to mess up your nails. I use this all the time. So this is definitely an awesome product, and we have it available right now too. It's $12 if you're curious. I'll be linking all of the items later after the video, but here it is. It's kind of like the size of a pencil. Okay, the next product I have is the Cuticle protector tape. So this is what it comes in. If you've never used this, oh my goodness, you need to. Come on. So this particular set, we have our limited edition ones, but this Cuticle protector tape comes with 5 sheets here of just bright colors, or just these colors. Each sheet comes with 10, and these are made for one-time use only. So it comes with this plastic film, which you take off, and you kind of use them as needed. So I would recommend using this for stamping, but say for instance, you know, if you're just painting your nails and perhaps maybe you're not the best, you know, painter, then you could use these. But I'll just show you an example of how to use this. So you just kind of, for me, I like to just pull it from the corner. So I'm kind of bending the backing here. Okay. So like I said, you just take off that film. Maybe if you needed to, you could kind of reuse this and put some polish and stuff on it if you're doing like maybe reverse stamping. Okay, so here I am going to attempt to do this on camera so you can see. But basically that U shape is kind of used to go around your cuticle. So sorry, kind of hard to show you and do this kind of backwards. So I think this thing is stretchy. So, you know, of course, everybody's finger shape, cuticle shape is different. So you kind of hug it close to your cuticle like that, and that's what it looks like. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay. So, and notice too, I do want to make a note that I do hug it as close as possible to the top of my nail, because sometimes when we stamp, the image can kind of, you know, kind of go over the nail a little bit. So we want to make sure we're covering the top part as well. And and go ahead, stamp your image. So that means that most of the image, if not all the image, would be on the sticker part only. So when you're ready to take it off, just carefully take the sticker off like this. And there you go. Then you have a beautiful stamp design. So like I said, this is one-time use. So if you end up using all of them and stuff, this is just good to kind of have around. So if you also know somebody who has a latex allergy, then don't worry. This is latex free. We do have some other cuticle protectors, but this is something that's just really instant. You don't have to worry about the drying or anything like that. Seriously, if you just enjoy doing nail art, it's a perfect product to kind of keep around. Make sure you always have that handy. Okay, and that, if you're curious, it's $12 on the website. Going on to the next product. Who doesn't like, you know, having two options in one? And so this is our double-ended stamper. And the reason for that is because there's two ends. And the caps are really nifty for keeping the dust, debris off your stamper head. This is actually the only stamper that comes with a full-size scraper card too, which is probably another reason why I like it, is because I love the scraper card. It's super cute, and it has, you know, like stars and you know, these gems on it with the moons and everything. Plus I love the gradient, but it also is a full-size card. So that what, you know, I like to do too is isolate, you know, designs. I just use the back of the card quickly and just kind of do what I need to. So I'll quickly show you how to use this double-ended stamper so you can kind of see. So here, for instance, if you had like a full nail design that you wanted to pick up, you would use the bigger side and you could just take off the top. So that's how you would see through, like that. And then if you had, say for instance, like an individual design, or you have smaller nails, or you know, things like that, then you would use the smaller side and then you would take out the big side. So there you go. You would have basically two size stamper heads in one. I think 9 times out of 10, I'm so comfortable with just using the big side that I don't really use the smaller side, but you might find it better, especially for people who have smaller nails too. Okay. And I'll save that for later. But the next product I have, so this is the fourth product, is, for me, I have really, I guess it's probably not the technical word, but really deep wells in my my cuticles. And so when it comes to stamping, like say for instance, I have to kind of clean on the inside of my nails because I got polish, you know, that kind of went over onto my skin. A good angled brush is very important. So I always reach for an angled brush. And here I am showing you guys this really cute, what do you call? It's a dotting tool set, but it also has brushes too. So here in this set comes with 8 brushes, and one of them has an angle brush that I always go to. And that would be this brush right here. So super awesome, and it's a really nice tight brush to kind of get into in between the nail and the skin to kind of clean off any excess polish or stamping that you can't necessarily get off with maybe like Scotch tape or something like that. And not only that, but you get tools, dotting tools on the opposite end. So again, you get 8 for 1. That doesn't make sense. You get basically 2 tools in one brush thing. So you have detailing brushes, you have thicker brushes, you have nail art brushes all in one, and it comes in this really nifty case too that you can just roll it up and take it wherever you need to. So that dotting tool set is $16 on the site. And it comes with like these protective plastic, they kind of look like straws, but it kind of keeps the brushes kind of all facing the same angle and kind of keeps them in good condition. Okay, so my last product, because I couldn't get them individually, I decided to choose the trio. So let me introduce to you guys our perfect trio combo. So right here is a straight up black and the BAM white, which is just awesomely opaque stamping polishes that definitely gets the job done. You can also use this as one coaters, and they're just awesome and must-haves. But also with this trio, you get this must-have, which is the smudge-free top coat. And the smudge-free top coat just helps to seal in your design whenever you're stamping, and make sure that your design, after you've worked really hard on it, doesn't bleed. So they come in a trio, if you didn't know, and it's located on the site. So, oh my gosh. Okay. So there's 5 products. Those are my top 5, right? But I couldn't not talk about plates, right? So technically, we're going to go outside now, but I did choose a plate that I wanted to make onto my top 5 as a plate that I've reached for a lot since I've, since it's come out. But this plate came out a long time ago, and we actually just released it this year as a revamped plate. And so this plate I'm talking about is M108. So you can see the elements, like there's this really awesome rocket astronomer person. I can't think of the name right now. But the design that I actually reach for a lot is down here, this ICAT design right here. And I'm going to show you guys a manicure that I did years ago on my Instagram. So if you guys can see that right here, I did a Smudgicure style manicure using this plate. And I love the way that this came out, and I did this circa 2016, so it was kind of a long time ago. But that was on my natural nails, and so I really do love this design. I know I've done it in white before with just like a nude base. I used this design too, now that I'm thinking about it. So what I did is I kind of isolated the design, and I just took 2 strips instead of all of these with that design. So I really do love this plate. It's a go-to for me. Has a lot of summery vibes, so I think this is perfect for the season we're in, and it's definitely a go-to. But I also created 2 other plates that I just reached for. This definitely has like boho-y vibes, but it is M015 and M014. So I've used this design, this fringy design here, a lot. And so there's just so much that you can do. You have full nail designs, you have individual designs, you have stuff that you can wear on your cuticles, or you can decorate like the top of your nail here on the free edge. There's a lot of different things you can do. This one has a little bit more individual designs, but I really love this fringy design up here that I know I've used a lot. So just in case you guys were looking for something and that's the vibe you're going for. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you guys have any favorites that I went over today? These things that are in your arsenal and you just have to have? Let me know. But okay, I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's live. Thank you so much for joining me and all my blips and blurps in between. And be kind. See you guys later. Bye.